Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing a Plouise mystery box. I'm super excited for this, so I don't know if they're still up. Let me just quickly check. You'd think like by the time, like the amount of time, hang on, I need to like, is that better? I feel like that's a bit better. The amount of time that I spend like doing these videos and stuff, you'd think that I would have learnt to like already have checked this stuff, whatever. Cool. Okay, so they still do have them up on the website. They're currently $59 Australian. It says you will receive over £60 worth of Plouise products and merch. Your lucky dip can include anything from the Plouise website. Everything is up for grabs, babe. Alright, so basically, I think I paid $60 for mine, but obviously because of like the conversion rate, it kind of like fluctuates every now and then. But let's get into it. It was really hard, like when I first opened this, because I ordered a mystery box and I also ordered one of the budget boxes, but they sent it all in the same box, so I was kind of like, what's what? Like, but I think I figured it out, hopefully. I'm just going to quickly double check because they do have on their TikTok what you're meant to get in the budget box. So I'm just going to double check real quick. So the first thing that we have in the mystery box is this is a juicy drip and this says hug in a mug and been there, done that. So I'm guessing this is obviously like coffee scented. I feel like I don't need this. Like I feel like I have heaps of, because this is the lip scrub and the lip sleeping mask. I'd love to smell it, but I feel like I don't need it because I have so many of the lip scrubs and the lip sleeping masks at the moment. And I feel like by the time I get around to using this, it would have gone bad. So I think I'm going to put this one in a giveaway, but super cute. You get one of these. So we have a lip sleeping mask and a lip scrub in there, which I think is so sweet. And I feel like that coffee flavour would be delicious. I really wish I could smell it, but I don't obviously want to open it up and then pass it on to someone else. So the next thing we have, I haven't seen this before, I don't think. This is the Sugar and Spice and Everything Nice powder highlight palette. So this is cute. Let's have a look in here. It's big bulky packaging. Oh wow, this is stunning actually. See, I have not seen this one before. So I don't know if this is like a new palette or what. But anyway, super cute. So this is how it looks in here. We have 4 highlighters. Absolutely stunning. Because in the advent calendar I did get a highlighter palette, but it wasn't this one. It was what was it called? It was something else. It's over here somewhere, but I don't know where it is. These do look like deeper shades though. Like they have some really pretty deep shades in there. I don't think they're going to work for my skin tone, so I reckon I'll also pass that one along, but I feel like that's super cute. And the packaging is just adorable. I want to actually see if that one is on the website because I haven't seen that before. Oh no, it is on here, okay. Yeah, no, I haven't seen that before. That's really pretty. Stunning. Next thing we have is, I think this is a little eyeshadow palette. This is the CEO Get Yourself in Check. It says it's a pressed pigment palette. Oh, this is really, guys, it lights up. So this is the palette here. It looks like a little check, which is so cute. And then you open it, it's got little lights on the mirror. You probably, I don't know if you can see that. There and there. And the palette's really cute. It's got 8 little shades in there. And it's like, you know, one of those ones where like half the pan is a matte shade and half the pan is a shimmer shade. I think that's really cute. I do actually love that palette. I don't know how much use I'd get out of it. I feel like, like it'd be a perfect like little everyday palette, but I'm like, I feel like I keep so many like everyday palettes and never ever do my makeup every day. So, that's so cute though. I love that. I feel like that's really sweet. Well, I'm really excited about this. This is the Fall in Line double-ended liner, and I love these, and I'm so glad because I have a couple of shades of this, but I don't have this one. This is in Tiramisu and Treacle Tart. I think I said that wrong. I love these because you get 2 colours in one, and I actually love the formula of these, so I'm really excited to have another one. I think at the moment I have like a pink and a purple and a green. I think it's like 2 different shades of green. I really want to buy more shades of this because I think the actual liquid liner itself is like real good, like great quality. So I'm excited to have some like more wearable shades, I guess. I will do a quick swatch because I'll definitely be keeping this one. How cute is that? I don't know, I just feel like it's really cute. And I love that it's double-ended because I feel like you get like double the, what's the word, like double the value. Mind you, that needs a shake because that was like weird streaky mess. Oh, okay. Maybe like something's going on with this shade. Maybe it's like been laying down for a while. I normally love these, so I'm kind of like, uh-oh. Okay, good, no. I don't know. I feel like it just needed a shake. You can see like here, it's like, that was like the first swatch and then that. So it's like progressively getting like more mixed up, but it's obviously just been sitting a while. Still. Oh. I'm not gonna lie. Like, normally I love this product, but these swatches are not, I reckon. I'm really hoping it just needs a good shake, because otherwise I'd be like pretty upset. Okay. Tiramisu is swatching well now. So that is tiramisu there. That one just needed a shake, and hopefully this like tart shade is okay as well. So otherwise I'll be pretty like, okay. I think we've got them right now. Alright, I think they just needed a good shake. So yeah, they are both of the shades. They're super cute. I was like really worried then because I was like, I was just talking this product up and now it's going to fail on me. I was like, alright, anyway. And then the last thing we have is some of the lashes. And these are cute, the curl lashes. Super cute. So just for fun, I'm going to add everything up and see what our value was. They have so many cool ones of the, like so many cool shades of the double-ended liner. I really want to get some. They're so cute. You know what's weird though? I don't think they have a black one. Unless I just can't see it. But anyway. Okay, let me just double check that I've got everything. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was that all we had? 5 products? So for everything, it was $152. So I feel like that's like pretty good value. Like, I'm not gonna lie. So I paid $60. And yeah, I'm really quite happy with that. So the lashes are retail for $20. The lip and scrub duo, and it's off retails for $44, and it's actually in this scent shade flavor mocha. This little palette is $34. The fall in line liner is $22, and then the little quad thing is $32. So comes to a total of $152. So we got what, $90 extra product. I think that's a pretty great value, like, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Let me know if you got one of these mystery boxes, what you got in yours, how much value you got. I love mystery boxes. I don't know why, there's just something about them that I just love. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.